Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. Today, Bitcoin is breaking down a very long-term structure, and in today's video, we will discuss whether is there any possibility that the price line will be recovered back or not. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and before this chart, let me to show you this daily time frame. And here we have already seen that the price line of Bitcoin broke out a very long-term down channel here, and after this breakout from the down channel, we retested the previous resistance of the channel as a support and had another rally that was up to $48,234. And this recent swing low before this breakout is very important. The exact value of this recent swing low before the breakout was $32,950, and that can be used as a stop loss as well if you are trading this breakout from this down channel. And this is also a very nice support and long-term support. We can see that previously it had been breaking as a support here, as a support here, and as a support here as well, and as a support here as well, and also here. And right now the critical thing is that we are moving down, and we are moving even below than this support of $32,950, almost $33,000. And now if we will have the daily closing below this support, then the next major support will be here at $28,600. And previously this support had been breaking as a support here and here as well, and we have touch points here and here as well, and here it was breaking as a resistance back in December 2020. And that can be a very strong support, and I will show you on the weekly time frame as well. So you will realize that how much strong this support of $28,600 is. But right now it is very important for Bitcoin to recover back, because if this support will be broken down, then this breakout from this down channel will be invalidated, and our target we were expecting after this breakout was here at $68,000 approximately. But once the price line will break down this recent swing low before the breakout, then this trade or this breakout from this down channel will be completely invalidated. Now let's take a look at the weekly time frame. Then here Bitcoin formed this up channel on the weekly time frame, and right now it has broken down this 100 weekly simple moving average, and now it is breaking down this another support that is an uptrend line support and the support of this channel as well. And right now we are moving down, but this thing has already happened before as well. Like for example here, we had a move even below the support of this up channel, and again we had another move below the support of this up channel that was up to $29,296. So it is possible that it will be only a spike, and the price line will be recovered back. If the week will be not closed below the support, then it can be only a spike. Now let's talk about the 200 weekly simple moving average. And most of the traders are talking about this moving average because Bitcoin never broke down this 200 weekly simple moving average. And after every very big market crash, the major market crash, Bitcoin most of the times touched this 200 simple moving average. Like back in 2019 we touched this support, 2020, and right now we are sloping down. We are breaking down the support. The value of the 200 simple moving average right now is $28,800, very close to $22,000. But remember, the 200 simple moving average is also moving up. It is also possible that when, for example, if we will drop at this support at $28,600, it will be also moved up, and somewhere there it will touch the 200 weekly simple moving average. However, right now the difference is very big, and if we take a look at the stochastic on the weekly time frame chart, stochastic has entered the oversold zone, and on the daily time frame the RSI of Bitcoin has entered the oversold zone. And the previous history of Bitcoin shows that it never stays in the oversold zone for a long time. Like for example, previously we just touched the oversold zone here in the month of January 2022, then Bitcoin started the rally, and before that we touched here and we had a short rally, here back in December 2021. And if we take a look at the previous history here, when Bitcoin touched the oversold zone in the month of May 2021, then the RSI started moving up. Bitcoin also started moving up, and after another drop, we had a very big rally and rejected by this resistance of the big up channel. So right now, the positive thing is that Bitcoin is getting oversold. We can see that previously, whenever the stochastic even entered the oversold zone, then after a few weeks, and sometimes it has just touched the oversold zone and it has started a move to the upside. So there is a possibility that that we may have a recovery rally. And there is also something very amazing happening on the monthly time frame chart as well. Like on the monthly time frame, this is the third time Bitcoin is entering the oversold zone. We can see that previously when it was entered oversold zone, we had a very big rally. And then again, it entered the oversold zone here, and from March 2019 to even up to here, we had a very big rally up to March 2021. And right now you can see that the stochastic has once again entered the oversold zone, and there is a hidden bullish divergence appeared. Like the price line is forming higher low than previous low, and if we take a look at the stochastic, it is forming lower than previous low. So there is also a hidden bullish divergence on the monthly time frame chart. However, we can expect that there can be still volatility on the smaller time frames, like here on the daily time frame. However, the bigger picture is showing that something is going to happen very soon on the monthly time frame, especially that will be a really very big bullish. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.